In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Guess the Anime emoji filter on Instagram. Okay, so once you've loaded up Instagram, you want to go to your stories feature by either swiping right on the screen or tapping on your profile story icon there at the top. So I'm going to swipe to the right. And then once you're on your stories feature, you can see all the different filters at the bottom. You just want to scroll all the way to the right until you get to the browse effects option. Tap on browse effects, and then you want to tap on the magnifying glass to search, and then you just want to start typing guess the anime, and you want to tap on the first one that pops up, and this is the filter right here. You can go ahead and tap on that little download button there next to the share icon to save it to your camera, or you can go ahead and try it from this screen. So that is how you get the Guess the Anime Emoji Instagram filter. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.